Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find wallet address in your Near wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Near wallet, and once you open it, it will take some time to load and will redirect you to a page where you need to enter your PIN code number to get entered. So once you type your PIN code number, you will get access to your account. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the receive option, and once you tap it on, you can find your wallet address as well as the wallet address in your QR code, so you can even share it with your friends. And this is how you find your wallet address in your wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.